Hey y'all, this is what footage I got of us riding around on pedal cars. This is pretty fun. This is the third part of our camping trip. And yeah, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Also subscribe to Opposite A. Subscribe, we gotta go
On these
live.
pedal cars?
Okay,
And,
so whoever
hey,
wins
Tobias,
wins.
what do you think of these pedal cars?
Patrick, can you
Wait,
shut the fuck up?
Tell you what, we'll each go on different roads and we'll go up, whoever wins. Hi, we're driving underage.
Patrick, can you shut the fuck up?
We're driving right now, hold on, I can't call you guys right now, I'm like driving right now. I can't call y'all. I'm like filming and driving right now. The campsite so I can get to Toby. Alright, Toby's getting his aired out. Here, I'm gonna wait. Alright, Toby. We all were filming while driving. Screw the laws. Yeah, screw the laws, bro. We're just driving. Yeah. I don't look where I'm going. I'm a bad kid. I'm a bad guy. Get away! He's with the feds. He's with the cops. He's with 12. You're with 12. Sir, he's with 12. He's with the feds. He's trying to well, the thing is, I have a secret base made. To escape from it. Yeah? Here. Come through here. Yo, we're gonna get some footage together. Let me put this video vertical. I mean horizontally. Yo, we're good. We have like, I think we're probably about 10 minutes left now. We need to do something big. We need to go, we need to try and get the best drifts possible. So you'd have to probably. You have to film me for this, but we're gonna try and do drift. My turn. I don't think I can't record on drifting. So you need both hands.
Okay, that's fine. Damn. Alright, I'll try to record you. Down there? Bro, I just got off my wheel. No, between Opposite A's. Me and Whip, following Jay's grip over here. Kind of biking down, you know? He's in on drift, so. He be drifting. Oh, shoot! Yo! What's that? I'm finna catch you, bro. Over here. Show the goofy ass. I'm a little tired, not gonna lie. Hands off the steering. Yo, we're finna pull over. Yo, Jay Spirit, come back here. Elliot's back at the place. He's stealing the ducks. He's stealing ducks, probably, knowing him. We gotta go. Yeah, I'm still recording. Let's go. Got the youngins right behind me, right over there. I gotta keep my eyes on the wheel, not gonna lie. Oh, that was a cool drift. Okay. He be stealing ducks. Gotta go park right here. Okay. He's stealing ducks. Yeah. You stealing the ducks?
What?
Stealing the ducks?
I can find it. What time is it?
Alright, and that is all the footage I got of us driving around and whatnot. This was pretty fun. Like this video and subscribe to Elliot and subscribe to Ditto and subscribe to Opposite Ace. They were in this video as well. This was a lot of fun, y'all. If y'all want to see us do stuff like this, if we go to this campground again, hit that like button. 100 likes and we'll come back here. Okay? I will see y'all, and I will see all of you in the next video. Goodbye.
Do you like? Why 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 do you like?